Welcome to the informative Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. After that, select internet section, and just to activate the Wi-Fi, we should click here once on the switcher. After that, you'll see here the list with all of the available networks. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password, and to see the password you should click here on this checkbox. For example, to hide out some mistakes, I'll enter it out of screen. And after that, we just should click here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we can select here more networks if you want, 2, 3, 4 more. And after that, we should enter the password and connect to them. And after that, we'll see here them here in this saved networks list. For example, you can just after that switch between them if you want. Just turn off the Wi-Fi. We should click here once again on the switcher. That's just so simple, as you can see. And also, if you want to use the Wi-Fi just to activate it by another way, you can use the notification panel shortcuts. Just open it, and here you'll see the section with the internet. Just click here once to activate Wi-Fi. Click on the switcher, select after that the network. You should then enter the password, tap to connect, and that's it. And to turn it off by the same way, just turn off the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.